The Officer Roster section of the OAM has undergone more changes than any other section during the past year. Do not be surprised if it looks different from what you saw last, or if changes are made after this presentation was created. Click on the Officer Roster button. On April 15th, 2015, the NARFE email system, NES, was introduced. This is an improvement to the old email system and replaces certain functions in the OAM. Prior to April 15th, this page had an Email Officers button. That functionality is now moved to the NES. To view the officers in your chapter, click on the top button, View Officers. This option allows you to see a list of chapter officers in another chapter. To save time, only one line of the View Officer report is shown. All of the blackened lines have to be done individually, so it's a little faster if I just use the top line. The print version provides a reformatted report that looks a little better when printed. The Save in Excel option will save all of the data in an Excel spreadsheet. When you see the Save in Excel, you usually also have the option of Save in CSV. This produces a tab-delimited text file that is easier to import into other applications, such as databases. This file has an extension indicating that it is an Excel format, but it is actually tab-delimited. This causes a warning message when you open it in Excel that the file format and extension do not match. Open it anyway. If you're curious about how the file actually is formatted, you can use Word to open the file. The Mailing Labels option will provide a formatted document in either Word or PDF format that can be used to print mailing labels. See the presentation on navigation buttons for more information on mailing labels. As always, you can email one person if there is an email address present. The View All Chapters option is nice if you would like to see all of the officers in your federation. Perhaps you are a membership chair and would like to contact other membership chairs. This will provide you with the basic information to do so. This is what the report looks like. It is basically a chapter report repeated for multiple chapters. Note the area in black contains personal information and cannot be shown. This is what the report looks like when saved as Excel. Again, the area in black contains identifying information. This is what the report looks like when saved as CSV and then opened in Excel. Now all of the data is in one sheet. Note that the data saved in CSV format can be opened or imported into other applications other than Excel. The option for the Federation is basically the same as for the chapter. Please remember, the reports change all the time. If you see an error or out-of-date information in this presentation, please use the NARFE website to contact your CAB representative. There is a link to a document on the OAM documentation page that explains how to contact a CAB member.